Welcome to our tutorial on how to use SARS Drop-In. After logging into SARS, click on the Drop-In tab to continue. If there are any students waiting, you will find them in this Drop-In tab. Since there are no students currently waiting, I will add a student to demonstrate how this process will look. To add a student, input their student ID number to populate their information. Then select either one or more reason codes and type in the relevant comments for this meeting. The meeting with option should be listed as next, indicating that the student will meet with the next available counselor. If the student wants to meet through Zoom, select online meeting. You can cancel this appointment by selecting close, otherwise click on commit drop-in to add the student to the drop-in list. You can now view the student in the waiting list with an updated red notification on the drop-in tab indicating that a student is waiting. This student will now appear in the Show All section, but not the option for Only My Students. Let's discuss how to meet with a student in the waiting list. Open the Student Drop-In Appointment screen, then change the Meeting With option with your own name, then click OK. Also note that online meetings will not have a Zoom link until after a counselor is assigned. You will now notice that the student on the list will move. You can find the student under the Show All section and in Only My Student. Now that I'm assigned to this student, I can click on the Zoom icon to start the session. This icon will not appear if the appointment is either a telephone meeting or in person. Click on the session timer at the bottom before and after your session. If you need to edit the duration of your meeting, click on the Edit Session icon. If you decide you cannot meet with a student, you can return to the Student Drop-In Appointment screen and click on Restore. This will add the student back to the waiting list to meet with the next available counselor. You can now see the student under the Waiting section. Lastly, if you need to remove a student, you can simply delete the selected student by clicking Delete.